Hey guys, welcome back to Shop Dust. Today, I'm going to try something that I've never tried before. I'm going to take this piece of 8/4 birch live edge slab here and run it through my 6-inch joiner to flatten it out. Stick with me. Don't know if this is going to work. Saw it on Wood Whisperer. Have no idea, to be honest with you, but I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to see if it happens. I'm going to see if I make a mistake. And if I do, well, then I guess I'll have to figure it out from there. But until then, let me show you what I'm going to do. So here you go, guys. Obviously, this is only 6 inches. This is 13 inches from this end to this end. So it's double the width of my blade. What I'm going to attempt to do is run this whole thing through here and get a section of it flat. I do have it cupped down, or not cupped down, but bow down. And then I'm going to screw this 1x6 to the bottom edge of this that I've made flat. I'm going to run this side through the planer. Probably make a little more sense if I get doing it, and you'll see what I mean. So here we go. Got it jointed, 6 inches of it jointed. I went ahead and off camera, I cut this board down to 6 inches. Like I said, it was too short, so I went ahead and used the offcut just to make some pieces just to stabilize it as it's going through the planer. You know, you sight down it, it's nice and flat, everything's flat, so it should be pretty stable enough at least to flip it over and run this through the planer and keep everything flat and flatten down that other side. So let's pull out the planer and get this flattened down. Well, I will definitely have to do this again. I don't know if I had any video of this, but this thing wobbled all over. This is a true flat surface here at the miter saw station. Otherwise, but it worked. So it's flat as can be. Now I'm going to take this board off here. I'm going to take off those 2 runners, and I'm going to go ahead and get this other side flat as I can. This is all going to stay rough, so I'm not too worried about if this gets flat because it kind of tapers down a little bit there. But other than that, I am excited. I'm happy. It worked. So yeah, a heck of a lot easier than hand planing it all. That's for sure. So let me get all these boards off here and we will get to it and get it going back through the planer again. So you guys might be asking yourself, Tim, what are you doing? I thought you were already done. You finished up that other big long piece of 8/4. What are you doing now? Well, It has to do with this piece of black pipe. It has to do with this other piece of 8/4 and some rope. And in order to find out, you'll have to finish watching this video. So let's get to work. Well guys, there it is, hanging shelves. I apologize for the lighting in this corner. It's not very good, but it was the only place I was able to hang this thing and be able to work on it. So throughout the whole video there, the lighting's not so hot in this corner. It's a pretty easy project all in all. Doing the knots and trying to get all these shelves level and straight, a little bit tedious. I do really like the way this turned out. This is for a friend of mine, but I think I'm gonna make one of these for my own house at some point. I really like it, like the way it turned out. This pipe here that's actually going to the wall is 4 inches. It does need to be 2 inches in order for the back of the boards to rest against a wall. I got them a little long. I wasn't sure how that was going to turn out, but you know, shorten that up a little bit. Those should rest right against the wall. I'm very pleased with the results of this. A friend of mine, she sent me a picture of these and asked if I could do this, and I, of course, having a hard time saying no. I said, sure, why not? She bought all the materials and stuff, and I assembled and put it together. I will be showing you guys the install of this here in the next clip or whatever, and showing you what it looks like actually installed and where it's going to go and stuff like that, along with the long board that I made in the beginning of this video. That's also going to be installed, and it's going to be on black pipe hanging from rafters. So